think I will upload as uploading Zoom का recording. I will upload some like normal my system का recording. Don't worry. Okay. चलो both I will record anyway. But okay, cool. So is it clear now? As soon as you join, right, it will take some time for your internet to get set with this. Okay. Is it clear now, guys? Can you guys see the notes clearly here? Yeah, it will take some time for you to get adjusted to that because internet connection and the packets should arrive and all of those things will happen. It will take some time, so be a little bit patient. Done? Okay. Now let us get started with today's class. Yeah. Chalo. Now, what was the last thing we studied? Now, you can ask, sir, why do we need method overriding, right? Why do we need method overriding? We can simply go for something as similar as like just implement everything whatever we want in different classes. Why method overriding is important? This you will understand when we see abstract method. Okay, abstract method. But before that, I want to show you something. Done. Suppose Ram ji, Ram, are you married? No, right? No. Okay, you want to get married? Ramji, do you want to get married? Absolutely. Okay, chalo. So Ram is getting married. Okay, Ram is getting married. Okay. But here, Ramji's father, this is Ram's father. Okay. He has already selected bride for Ram. Okay? Bride for Ram. But our Mr. Ram, okay, he also has already selected bride for him, girlfriend. Okay, girlfriend is there. Now, Ram wants to marry, obviously, his girlfriend, but Ram's father wants him to marry the girl of his choice. Like, ne, pyar vyar nahi chalega. You have to marry the girl I say. Now, how will we make sure that we are taking side of Ram's father this time, not Ram's sorry Ramji. Ram's father approaches me, बोल रहा है कि यार क्या करे यार, मेरा बच्चा मेरा बात ही नहीं सुन रहा है सर, कोई लड़की है, some girl is there, he wants to marry that girl. What to do? How can I stop him from marrying that girl? Like, sir, don't worry, I'm here. I'll tell you one secret. So let us write a class for that. Okay. Now we have class father. Yeah, class father. Okay. Now class father has a method called what? Marry. Say public void marry. Okay. So here father has one choice. SOPLN marry. Okay, any Aishwarya in the class? No Aishwarya in the class? Okay, so marry Aishwarya. So the girl name is Aishwarya. So father wants to Ram to marry Aishwarya. Done. Now similarly we will have class where Ram. Okay, class Ram. Now Ram wants to marry Ram. What is your girlfriend name? If you don't have, also hypothetical girlfriend, imaginary girlfriend, any name. प्रवीणा. प्रवीण लड़की का नाम है भाई. भाई मैं ही लड़की चूज कर लेता हूँ भाई, बंदा इतना डेस्परेट है लड़के का नाम ले रहा है. कोई नहीं, नो इश्यूज. ओके, let me give Katrina. ठीक है. So you want to marry Katrina Kaif. Suppose your girlfriend is Katrina Kaif. ठीक है. Done. So you want to marry Katrina Kaif. Done. Okay. Now we are helping whom, guys? Who are we helping? We are helping Ram, or are we helping his father? We are helping his father. Okay. फीस तो वो भर रहे ना, हमको क्या है ना. तो Now, obviously, what will Ram do? Ram will usually extend. Ram will usually extend what? Extend his father, right? So Ram is extending his father. Okay. Now tell me, here I will write public static void main. Main method, say class marriage. Okay. Here we will create Ram object. So Ram has to say yes or no, right? Finally. So basically Ram is the one who will get married, right? So we are creating object of Ram. Ram Rm is equals to new Ram. Now when I write Rm dot marry, what will be the output here, guys? Who will Ram marry? Here Ram will marry Katrina, right? Marry Katrina. But do we want Ram to marry Katrina or do we want Ram to marry Aishwarya? तुम आराम से बैठो भाई. राम उत्साहित हो रहा है अभी, ठीक है. राम wants to marry what? Like we want Ram to marry Aishwarya, but Ram wants to marry Katrina, है ना. राम कहता है कोई भी चलेगा सर. Okay, but still we want make sure that his father's decision is the final decision. So what should we do? Father's decision is the final decision. What should we do? Yes. So father's decision is final decision. So what we will do? We will add one small keyword called final here. We'll add a small keyword called final here. Now, if I make a method, declare a method as final, can we override that method? Is the question. Okay. We can't. So you are saying we can't. Let us see. Let us see this in action. Can we override the method or not? Chalo. Okay. Ramji, sorry very well. Next time you will marry Katrina Kaif. Okay. Okay. Can you guys see the screen? न्यू फोल्डर. फोल्डर का नाम है से क्या रखे फोल्डर का नाम? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. ओके. नाउ न्यू फाइल marriage dot not just marriage, Ram's marriage dot java. Done. So we created a class called Ram's dot marriage. Now who are the two people who will be involved in the decision making? One is father, class father. Okay. What is the method we have? Public void marry. Okay. Chalo. Now system dot out dot, please be on mute, out dot println, what do we do here? We write marry whom are we marrying here? Not we, sorry. Ram is marry his father wants Ram to marry Aishwarya. Okay. Sure. Next, similarly, now we have class Ram. Ram also is trying to override his father's decision. He wants like nahi, I will marry Katrina Kaif. Vicky Kaushal will come and hit us. Okay. So now what Ram is doing? Ram is extending his father. Okay. Now let us create a class called Ram's marriage. Ram's spelling is correct. No. What is marriage spelling is MARAIGE. Correct, right? Marriage spelling is correct, right? MARRIAG. AIG I have written. Okay. Okay. Let us keep this marriage as AIG only. Okay. Done. Again I have to change here. Okay. Change ही कर देते हैं. Marriage. Okay. My English teacher, if she sees this, she'll be killing me. What is this, Prithvi? You're not able to write marriage spelling. What to do, madam? Okay. Now, public static void main string no? Okay. Now what will we do here? We'll create ram ka object ram ram is equals to new ram. Okay. Now ram dot marry done. cd abstract. Now if I write java c ram's marriage. Okay, is there any compilation error? No compilation error. Now what will be the output? Java ram's marriage, enter. Marry Katrina Kaif. But what do we want to do? We want him to marry Aishwarya Rai. So what we'll do here, we'll say no bro, you cannot override. I'll declare the method as final. Now if I try to compile it, oh I didn't, did I save it? Oh, final spelling. Oh sorry, that is okay, final should be in father class. I am shocked, why did it not work? Okay, now let us compile. Okay, so are we getting error here? Marry in ram cannot override marry in father. Understood? Overridden method is final. So if I declare a method as a final method, can we override that method, everyone? Can we override that method? No. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? No doubt? Okay, let us copy this and let us add a simple note in our notes. Done? Oh, let's not copy it. Okay, can you guys see the screen? Yes. So what is the note here? What is the note here? If we declare it cannot be overridden. Is this clear? Is this part clear? Anyone has any doubt so far? Anyone has any doubt so far? No doubt? Okay. Now we will see one small example of how method overriding can help us in real life situation, right? So now I will declare one class. Say class name is shape. Now for a shape, when I say shape, I am talking about geometrical shapes. Done. Now what for a shape, what are the common properties? What are the common properties for shapes? Say here I will write rectangle, square. Is circle also a shape? Is circle also a shape? Yes. Okay. Now what are the common properties for a shape? What can be the common properties for a shape? Yes. Area method. Yes, this is what I wanted. Area method can be a common property, right? Yes or no? Area can be a common property. Now area, I can leave it as empty for now, but here say I will write sopln implement area. That implement area. Now this area method, I want to make sure whoever extends from me should be able to what? Should be able to what? Implement area function. Implement area function. Use that particular method. Yes or no? So we will have rectangles ka own implementation. Okay. Okay, now I will write area for rectangle. What is area for rectangle, guys? What is the formula? Length into breadth. Okay, what is area of a circle? Pi r square. Okay, pi r square is the area of the circle. Now suppose I forgot what? I forgot to implement. If I if I extend a method, is that compulsory that I have to override area ka method? Guys, is that compulsory that I have to override it method? No, right? If I leave it, what will be the output here? If I write square dot area, what will be the output here? Output will be implement your own area, right? Your own area will be the output. But here I have forgotten. If I have forgotten, that means there is a human error, possibility of human error still. Yes or no? Now every shape should have area method, yes or no? Every method should implement area method, yes or no? That is why we have kept it in the super class. That is why we have kept it in the super class. Now, for example, as a programmer, I forgot or I purposefully didn't write it. Is there any control in our hand in shape method? Is there any control that it can enforce? No, you have to implement. No, right? No, right? Yes or no? There are certain set of standards we have to follow every time, right? Can I say, no, the square doesn't have area property? Can we say that? No. So what we should do here? What is the drawback here of method over? If I simply use this type of method overloading, what is the drawback here in the above code, above example? What do you think is the drawback? The drawback here is that we cannot what? Enforce certain standard to be followed. Yes or no? Certain standard to be followed. Yes or no? I want that this method should implement. Yes or no? Yes or no? It won't throw any error. It won't throw any error. Or even it will not even warn the user कि भाई तूने implement नहीं किया. Sometimes by mistake also the person can, okay. I didn't get your question only. Why? So you're telling about properties also. See, that is something example that is different. You can have a car with 3-wheel car also, right? Tomorrow someone will invent without car without wheels also, floating car, flying car. Yeah, that can be also property, right? So that we cannot say that, right? But here, yeah. That property or that method are you talking about? That we will that method in all that is what I am trying to say. That is what we will be learning now. That is why I am telling you that area is not being implemented in square. We want to make sure it is enforced. That we'll learn in the next coming this thing. So this is the drawback I'm telling of if I simply go with this approach of method overriding. Okay? Okay, cool. Understood? Yes? Okay. So now let us study something very new, guys. Okay, something very new. Okay, this is known as abstract method. This is known as what? Abstract method. Now, what is abstract method? How do we define a method, everyone? How do we define a method? What are the two things we have in a method? How do we define a method? To define a method, first what do we need? Method signature. Main, right? Method signature. And what is the next is method body. Method body. Now what is method signature? How do we write? Give me an example. So can I say we have access specifier? Yes. Then access modifier, then return type, then method name. Here we can have arguments or no arguments, done. And this is our method body. This is our method body. So can I say this whole thing is what? Our method signature, and this whole thing is what? Your method body. Anyone has any doubt here so far about what is a this thing? Okay. Now tell me, whenever I say, what are the different part of a method signature? Like what is method signature telling us? So here method signature, my dear friends, it specifies the characteristics of a method. What does method signature define? Method signature defines characteristics of that method. Okay. What does, according to you, method body represent? Yes, method body represents what? Method body specifies the workflow, what work that method will be doing. Yes, action, what action that method will be doing. By method signature, we're telling what kind of a method it is, whether it is a public method, whether it is a static method, what is the method name, how I can identify that method, all of those things. Yes or no? Now, using access specifier, tell me what we can tell about that method. Using access specifier, what can we tell about that method? Scope access specifier, what can we tell about that method? So that means who all can access that method? Yes or no? What does method access? It tells who all can access. Done. Now tell me, what does access modifier say? What does access modifier say about that particular method? What does it define? Can I say if a method is non-static, how many copies can I make of that method? If a method is non-static, how many copies of that method will be available? How many number of objects I create, that many number of copies will have. Yes. Now if I declare a method static, how many copies will we have? Only one, right? Yes. Well, because we have only one static pool area. Yes. So basically, what does access specifier say? Access modifier say? It says number of copies. Number of copies. Yes. Done. What does return type specify, everyone? What does return type specify? Yeah. Yes. Type of data. Type of data. It will return, or even not return anything, right? Void. Yes or no? Okay. Next. What does method name means? What does method name means? Obviously name of the method only, na? But what does it specify? Can I say it is like an identifier, which method I am identifying? Yes. Identification, like Aadhaar card. Yes. Okay, next. What does argument or no argument mean in a method? What does argument or no argument mean in a method? What does it mean? Which type of data should we pass when calling that method? Yes or no? Which type of data to pass to that method, whether I should pass or not? That is what method or not represents. Yes. Then finally, what does method body represents, my dear friends? What is method body? Method body represents what task it is doing, right? Work. What work is work or action? Work or action that method is performing. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now, first tell me, can I write a method like this? Okay. Can I have a method like this? Access specifier, access modifier, return type, method name. Can I write something like this? I will only write the signature. I will not write the body. I will only write the signature. I will not write the body. Can I do something like this? We don't know, sir. Even I also don't know. Let us check whether it is possible or not. Yes or no? Whether it is possible or not. Let us see it in IDE then. Okay. Okay. Can you guys see the screen? Yeah? Can you guys see the screen? Okay. Here, let me create a new class here. New file called, say, demo.java. Okay? Demo.java. Now, let me create a class demo. Okay. Now, what are we telling? That I will not write method body. I don't like method body. I don't want to write it. So I will write public. Non-static method will write. Return type, say, let us keep it as void. And let us write a program called greet. Okay, greet. I will save it. So what am I doing? What am I doing here? I am not writing method body. Now we have to check whether it is allowed or not. Okay. Now I will write Java C demo. Now I should get an error. Yes or no? If it is correct, I should not get an error. Oh, what is happening? Read the error carefully. Missing method body. What are they saying? Missing method body. Okay. Or declare abstract. What are they saying? Missing method body or declare abstract. Oh, there we have another option also. I don't want to write method body. What are they telling? They are telling or declare abstract. So what I will do, I will write a keyword here in front of my method called abstract. And I will save it. Okay. Now, according to this error message, they told missing method body or declare abstract. I have declared the method as abstract method. Okay. Now, should I get error? Or will I get error, or I should not get error? No error. Pakka? Done. Oh, we will still get an error. Why? The reason is demo is not an abstract, does not override abstract method greet in demo class. So basically, my dear friends, if there is any abstract method, inside your class also should be declared as abstract. Or else you have to implement that method, or else the method body should be present. If there is any abstract method, okay, in your class, then the class also should be declared as what? abstract. Okay, see, that is the error there. Demo is not abstract, does not override abstract method greet in demo class. Okay, so what do we need to do here? We need to what? Say I will run again. Finally, no error. Yes or no? Finally, no error. Don't worry, we will see still. Done. Now, let me come back to iPad. Now, whenever I write a method like this, let us take example. Okay, public. Now, here what are we having? Only method signature. Yes or no? Do we have method body available here? No, right? So now this type of method where there is no method body, this type of method, a method with no method body is called as incomplete method or abstract method. Incomplete method or abstract method. Now, my dear friends, can I have incomplete method like this only? Can I have incomplete method like this only? Is this correct? Incomplete method? This incomplete method is what? Itself incomplete. Yes or no? This incomplete method is incomplete. Why is it incomplete, everyone? Why it is incomplete? Because here no abstract keyword. Now pay attention to this point. Here what are we saying? Method with no method body. Okay, method with no method body is called as what? Incomplete method or abstract method. So that means what? If a method has to be incomplete, it should have to be what? An abstract method. Is this clear, everyone? If a method has to be declared as an incomplete method, it should have what? Abstract keyword. So basically what we will write here, so what is the correct way here? Writing abstract public greet. Yes, public. Sorry, I didn't write void. Now what is this method, guys? What is this method called as? Now this method is your abstract method. Is this clear? This method is your abstract method or incomplete method. Okay, next, now tell me, I will write this function. Tell me what is this? Now in this method, what are the things we have here? Yes, very good. We have method signature and we also have the whole method body. Okay, so what is this kind of method called as? This kind of method is called as what? Complete method. These kind of methods are called as what? Complete method. Okay, now I have a class called demo. Yes, I have a class called demo. Now this class demo, say, will have this abstract method. Yes. Now is this correct, everyone? Is it correct? No. Here we have to declare the class also as abstract class. Now can I say with this definition one small note? Yes, method which have incomplete method, or sorry, classes which have what? Abstract method or incomplete method are called as what? Are called as, very good, are called as what? Incomplete class or abstract class. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Yes. Okay. Now suppose if I write class demo, done, and inside this class say I have this method. There is no abstract method, there is only this method. Now what kind of class is this? Yes. So can we say class who have only complete methods are called as complete class? Yes or no? Are called as what? Complete class. Is this part clear, everyone? Is this part clear? Anyone has any doubt so far? What is an abstract method? A method without a method body, only method signature is called as an abstract method. Yes. What is an incomplete method? What is an incomplete method? Abstract method is incomplete method. What is an complete method? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Understood? Is this part clear, everyone? Yeah. Anyone has any doubt so far? Can abstract class have complete method? Yeah, we will see that, Gokul. Rajaji, that we will see in the next class. What is the use of abstract? Done. First, let us learn what is abstract. Then we'll see the use cases of abstract. Done. Is this clear? Anyone has any doubt so far? You slowly understand what is the use case of it. Okay. Now, my dear friends, now I want to show you something. Done. Let us go back to IDE. Okay. Now let me create class called test here. Okay. Inside this class test we will have public static main method. Done. Done. Okay. Now I will try to create an object of demo class. Okay. Demo d1 is equals to new demo. Done. And we will call greet method d1 dot greet. I will save it. Then I will save it. Okay. Now let me compile this class. Sorry, stupid errors. Okay. What is happening here? Demo d1, I am trying to create an object. What is the error message we are getting here? Demo is abstract, cannot be instantiated. What do you mean by cannot be instantiated? That means here we cannot create what? Cannot create object of what class? Object of abstract class. There is only one very common sense behind this, guys. I'll tell you why. Tell me now. Here, this method I have declared as greet as an abstract method. Yes or no? Now, if I say that a class is abstract, that means there are chances that there are incomplete methods. Yes, if I say a class is an abstract class, that means what? There are chances that the class may have incomplete methods. Now, when I call greet, have we implemented the method body? What output will it give? Is there method body implemented for abstract method? Is it a complete method so that I can go and execute that method, run that method? No, right? So hence that is the reason why abstract class cannot be instantiated. Yes. Now your question will be, sir, if I cannot, first of all, if I cannot create the object and I cannot call the method, then what is the use of having an abstract method? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Now let us see an example. Is this part clear, everyone? Don't worry, we'll write proper notes for this. Done? Okay, let me copy this and let me write a note here itself in the this thing. Okay, iPad, so that the notes are very clear. I am also trying to improve, guys. When I should take this class in one institute, there I have to dictate the classes. So I dictate the notes. So I am not dictating the notes here. So okay, let us come to iPad here. Okay, now let me copy this and T. Yeah, can you guys see the code here? Sorry, yeah, this sometimes it irritates so much. Yeah, I think this font is like it looks little bit like handwritten notes, right? So that's why I'm using this. Done? Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Now what does this say that? Okay. Now, what is happening here, guys? What is happening? Come on, tell me. What is this? This is an abstract class. Okay. This is a normal class. Now, here, can we create an object of abstract class? No, cannot create an object of extra class. Because what is the reason, guys? What is the reason? Note. We'll write a small note here. We cannot create object of abstract class because abstract class may have incomplete methods, may have incomplete methods. Done. Now your question may be, sir, then how the hell, then what is the use of that? Okay, now let us go back to the IDE to see the what is the use. Done. Can you guys see this? Okay, now let me create a new class called class demo1. Okay, demo1. Okay, so demo1 extends which class? Demo class. What is demo class, my dear friends? What is demo class? Demo class is an abstract class. Done. Now comes the fun part. I will just extend. Now I will try to compile. Everyone pay attention. Tell me, will I be able to compile or not? I'm just extending, right? I'm just extending it. Am I doing anything else? Am I implementing? Am I overriding a method? Am I doing anything in demo 1 class? I'm just extending. Can we simply extend? We have seen that in the future, in the past, right? We can extend. Now if I run this, what will happen? Oh, see here, we got an error. It will not run. What is the error here? Read carefully. Demo 1 is not abstract. does not override abstract method greet in demo class demo1. Okay, so what is it telling? Okay, remove this. I'll comment this part. This error also is coming mixed. Done. I will save this. Okay, now can you see demo1 is not abstract and does not override abstract method greet in demo class. So what does this mean? They are telling कि demo1 is neither abstract or not it is overriding. Understand, it is not overriding greet method. So here some kind of error is coming. Yes or no? What are they asking us? They are asking us, there are two ways, guys. First is I have to what? Override the greet method. So to override any method, what should be our steps? To override any method, what should be our step? Method signature should be same. Public void greet. Okay. Now I should have what? I should have what? Method body. System. Say I will write system dot out dot print ln I am overriding abstract method. Done. Save it. Now will I get error? Now will I get error, everyone? Will I get error now? Why? Let us see. Done. Oh, no error. No error. Why are we not getting any error? No, it's not called compilation error. Previously, were we getting compilation error, Gokul? Yes, but now are we getting compilation error? Yes. So there are, whenever you inherit, what are we doing here? Here we are inheriting from which class? From abstract class. Now there are two rules, guys. There are two rules when you inherit from an abstract class. First rule is you have to override what? Abstract method of that particular class. Done. Or you are like, I don't want to override. I let someone else take care of it. I don't want to override. If that is the case, you also have to declare the class as abstract. Two options here. Let us see that. Okay. Now I will create one class demo2. Okay. So this is the second point. Okay. Let me write it here. Now, if you do not want to, I will extend what? Extend demo class. And if I do not want to override the method, what I can do? I can declare it as abstract. But let me first see whether it will give me error or not. Okay. See here, demo2 is not abstract and does not override abstract method greet. So they are only telling us two options. So I will declare this as abstract class, not abstract method. Google abstract class. Okay. Now if I run it, am I getting any error? No error. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? So if you inherit from an abstract class, you are bound with what? Some kind of contract. Yes, you are bound with some kind of contract with this thing. What is the contract? The contract says, bro, if you are inheriting from an abstract class, either you have to what? Override all of the abstract methods, or you have to declare the class as abstract. Is this clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubt so far in this? No doubt? Pakka? So tell me, anyone please revise this, whatever I thought right now. Anyone can unmute and tell me what will happen here. Done? By the time I will do the circus. No one will answer. Come on, guys. Don't be shy. No one? Pakka no one? Okay, no worries, no worries. Now tell me. Now, this class is an abstract class, right? And what are we doing here? We are inheriting from abstract class, okay? Now, there are how many options? You have two options. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Here, can you see this? Okay. Now, here you have two options. One is what? Whenever you're inheriting from an abstract class, you have two options, one and two. What is the first option, everyone? The first option is you have to override the abstract method. So in class demo 1, what are we doing here? We are overriding. Yes or no? We are overriding. Now what is the second option we have? Second option, you also have to declare that class as an abstract class. So here we are declaring that class as an abstract class. Understood? Is this clear? So what is happening here? What is a note I can write here? What is the observation we can write here? Rather than note, can I say what is the observation we can make here? Whenever we inherit from an abstract class, we are what? Bound by a contract. Bound by a contract, right? What is that contract? One, first is override all abstract, okay, and second, or declare extending or declare itself as abstract class. Yes or no? Is it clear, everyone? Pakka? Anyone has any doubt in this example? So previous example, what did we see? We cannot create object of abstract class. Now what are we doing here? Here we cannot what? Inherit. If we inherit from an extra class, what are the contract we are bounded with? Either you have to class as abstract, not method, class as an abstract, or override all the abstract method. Understood? Is this clear? Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? No doubt? Pakka? Okay, cool. I think in a class and override all abstract methods. Now I think main thing for today, I think I have taught you guys. No, you cannot instantiate the abstract class. Now if you want to access, then next question should be, then how can I call this greet method? So the abstract class is written for a reason where abstract class is used to define some kind of standards that you will see in the next class. Okay, next class it will be all about that only. Okay, now what you need to do, you have to either inherit. If you want to call whatever members of that abstract class you want to do that, you have to do what? You have to override that method and then utilize it. Now what can be the example is the same shape class. So if I declare shape class as abstract and area as abstract method, then if I extend rectangle and all of this thing, then they have to implement that. Either they have to declare themselves as abstract class. Now if I declare my rectangle, square, and my this thing here, this, where did it go? If I say declare these as abstract, now what is the purpose of creating rectangle, square, and circle? So that we can create objects, right? We can create objects. Now if you want to create objects, if you declare this as abstract, will you be able to create objects of this class? No. That means what? If you inherit from an abstract class, suppose this was an abstract class and area was an abstract method, then what you need to do, if you want to create object of this, then you have to override what? Abstract. So here this drawback we solved, right? Yes or no? You can argue, sir, what if I will declare this as abstract? Then what is the use of having a square if you cannot create a square object? Yes or no? Did we overcome this drawback using abstract class? Yes. This is the use case. When you want to enforce something on an user who will be implementing, you will understand this in tomorrow's class. Definitely will be understanding this in this class. Done? Understood? So these are, I think, some of the points which I think declared. I am not uploading notes anywhere here. Okay. Yeah, I will upload it. I have uploaded in some website. There some issue, technical issue is going on. I have to fix it. Then only I'll be able to do that. I'm not able to get the time for it. I have created the class. I have uploaded the class. You guys have to go and register to that. So I am seeing how I can do it. So they, like, that platform is telling if they want to register, you guys have to pay some fees. So I'm trying to make sure that it is free, that you do not have to pay. So I am negotiating with them. Once that is done, then I will be able to upload link and everything. YouTube, going forward, I'll not put in YouTube. I'll be putting everything in that platform itself. Done. Okay, so I'm just negotiating with them. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Now I think next is okay. Now next example I want to show you guys is, say now, I think we have seen what happens when the class is abstract and we override, right? That is what we have seen now. Okay. Okay, now next point we will be seeing is, okay, next example is demo extends demo 8. Okay, now we'll take the same example. Now I have another abstract method. Say I have another abstract method, abstract public void wish. Okay, void wish idea. Okay, sorry, one second. Okay, so now can you guys see? I have another abstract method called wish. Now I have only overridden what? This method. Yes, overridden only greet method. I have not overridden wish method. So is it possible? Let us see that. Okay, Java C demo command K. Okay, now what is happening? Demo 1 is not abstract, does not override the abstract method wish. Okay, so what is happening here? It is telling we are not overriding the abstract method wish. So now if I comment greet also, so now see what error you will get. Okay. Oh, okay, I didn't save it. Override abstract method. Why it is telling only wish, I don't know, but it should say that. Okay. No, it will not be automatically abstract. That is what we have seen, right? If I remove abstract and if I run it, it will throw an error. Demo is not an abstract, does not override abstract wish in demo. So you have to, if you want abstract method to be in that class, you have to declare that also as an abstract. Otherwise it will throw an error. So it will not automatically do it. You have to explicitly say that it's an abstract method. Now see here, greet I have implemented. Now if I run Java C demo, it is saying that abstract method wish is not implemented in demo. Right? Let me copy this and let me write here wish. So now if I save it and now if I run it, will I get any error? No, we will not be getting an error. So what is this means? That if you only implement one abstract method, it is not enough. You have to implement what? All abstract methods. Done? Or else what you have to do? You have to declare what? Class as abstract. Now my question, can I, in this demo 2 class, can I implement a method along with declaring it? Okay, can I implement it again? I'll only implement wish. I will not implement greet. and then I will declare this class as abstract. Will this work? Okay, let us see. Yes, it will definitely work. Why? Because here we implemented one, but we what declared it as class abstract, so it will not give us any error. Done. Okay, that is also one possibility. Next possibility which I want to show you guys is, now this is done. Suppose I have one class called, okay, let us create a different file only. New file. Yeah, some other class. Yeah, some other class. But when you extend the other class, you only have to override which method? You only have to override this method, greet method. No need to override other. Let us see that also. So suppose I'll write class demo 3. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm creating a class demo 3, and we are extending what? Demo 2. Demo 2 is an abstract class. Done. Now if I save it, now if I implement only greet method, that is enough, I guess. Let us see. Okay, let me run this again. See, enough. Now if I remove this, save it, it will give me an error. Understood? So suppose if I only want to implement wish, I don't want to implement greet. So it is my choice as a programmer. I will only implement wish. I am not responsible for greet. So I will declare my class as abstract. I will only implement this. So next person who extends demo 2 has to only implement what? Greet method, not both wish method. Is that clear? Yes? Yeah? Yeah. Come on here. Whenever we extend a demo, so we we also have greet and wish. Yeah, understood, right? Okay, cool. Anyone has any doubt in this example, whatever we saw so far? No doubt. Okay. Now let us create a program. Okay, class. Here, let me see what will happen. This is the fun part. Now say I will create one class as abstract class. Then abstract class, say run. Okay. Now in this abstract class, we will have public void, say hello, public void hello, and in this I will write system dot out dot print ln, say hello. Now my question is, do we have any incomplete method in this class? Do we have any incomplete method in this class? No, right? So if I don't have any incomplete method in this class, so can I create an object of that class? My question to you is, but do we have any incomplete method here? So incomplete method is not there, so I should be able to create, right? No? Okay, let us see. I declare this abstract. Now my question is simple. We don't have any incomplete methods. We only have complete methods, but just I have declared the class as abstract. Will it cause me any issue? Done. Hey, sorry, I am implement Java C. What is this? Program.java, right? What is the error here? Run is abstract, cannot be initiated. No matter you have abstract method or not in your abstract class, if the class is declared as abstract, that class object cannot be created. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Yeah? Done. Now next, let us see next part. Now say I have class run1, okay, which will extend the class run. Then now I will not override or I will not even declare it as an abstract class. So will it give me an error or not? Now if it was abstract class, we were not able to create an object. Now I'm extending run1 class. Will it give me error or not? There is no abstract methods in that, but the class is abstract. Are you sure? No, I have remote run here, not initiating. Okay. Now I'm telling, if I extend this, am I abiding the contract? What is the contract? If you extend an abstract class, we are bound with the contract. What is the contract? Either you declare the class as abstract or override the methods. Yes. Okay. Let us see what happened. We didn't get any error. Why? Yes. So if a class is abstract and there are no incomplete methods, so first of all, what was the first? There are two ways, right? One is what? Either you override all abstract methods. Now, are there any abstract methods, incomplete methods in run class? No. I'm extending it. Do I need to override any abstract methods there? No. That means what? This is syntactically correct. Understood? Understood, guys? Okay. Got it or not? Because don't worry, I will show it in the next class completely. Now whenever I create an object of, say, whenever I'm extending here, am I bound with any contract? Yes. What is the contract? I have to override all abstract methods. Now are there any abstract methods here? No abstract methods. Hence here we can what? Override. Runtime also, what runtime? You'll create an object, right? That's it. See, here it's all about compilation, not runtime, right? Save it. You create an object of it's happening. Done? Understood? Even runtime also will not get any error. Got it, right? Okay, guys, that is it from my side today. Okay, so next we will be continuing from the tomorrow's class. Done? Okay, yeah, please ask me. Yeah, Sajid, please. Yeah, we are not running anything, no. Yeah, this method we are not calling only, right? Yes. But can I call r1 r dot hello? Yeah, we can call. Got it? Yeah, cool. Okay, guys, I have a class at 9 o'clock. If you guys have any doubt, please ask me quickly. Done? Yeah. Of that abstract class, yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, it is acting like not a blueprint. Blueprint is a class. Here, abstract class is acting as a blueprint plus standardization. That is what we'll see in the next class, right? What are the use cases of abstract class? Okay, where we'll be using, what is the advantage of it? All of that we'll be learning in the next class. Done? Okay, cool. Done. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This one. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Huh. So here I am creating object of run1 class. So class run is abstract. It is extending. So if you implement it, if it is, have it declared it as abstract? No, right? I can create an object. For example, here if you come to this demo1 extends demo, right? Have it declared this as abstract? No, right? So I can create object of demo1. I will show you. demo 1, d1 demo 1. Okay, I'll save it. Sorry, java c demo.java, class demo3 extends demo2. Okay, this I have to like say, let me create this as abstract only. For now, for the example, I will make this as abstract. Okay, see, no compilation error. And now if I write d1.greet and d1.wish, I'll get the output. Okay, I'm overriding abstract method and I'm overriding abstract method wish. Got it? So here, see, we only cannot create if the class is abstract. Now this demo class, we have contract, right? Either you declare yourself as abstract or you have to what? Override the method. Now here we are overriding the method. That means this is no issue. Will not get any compilation error. But that means I can create, right, object. This is a normal class, normal subclass. So I can do it. Understood? Got it? Okay, cool. Yeah. Shape. Okay. Single parent and multiple children. Okay. You can't do that, right? We cannot have a single child cannot have multiple parents, right? Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? That we see, right? We saw, right? It is called multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance using class is not uh, allowed in Java. Yeah. I don't know about C++. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Okay, guys. So then I will end the session then. Yeah. See you guys day after tomorrow, mostly tomorrow or day after tomorrow only. Then we'll have like break between otherwise. And what I will do, I will simply share the notes for now in the group itself, WhatsApp group, so that you guys can refer to it. And then once that this is up and running, and that time I will share it with you guys. Done? Okay. Chalo guys, take care. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure. I will share it. Yeah, thank you. Take care. Bye.